Oh yes, this. Right here in the front yard.
What is that?
Well, I'm afraid that what that actually is a septic tank. So, yeah, super heavy, super solid, and super sitting in the front yard. Along with the barrel,
Yeah.
which got moved. It's going to be a little bit harder to move that. Apparently this was the previous owner's idea of a fire suppression system. It's got an antenna up there. This is the front yard. Oh yes, and this is actually, of all the buildings, kind of sort of in fairly decent shape. There's a lot of rat poop on the ground, but shelving, apparently probably pantry. This one doesn't leak, so this one's got more potential than the rest. So yeah, them's the outbuildings.